I didn't really come out, everybody. Here we are in part 4. Let's make an Archaeopteryx. I'm in an Avosaurus. I'm really into Archaeopteryx, but since I like Avosaurus too, I decided to make one. And I just said Archaeopteryx. Now let's start to make Avosaurus. So let's get some of these pieces of cardboard. Let's put those there, and let's get some of this. I'm sure we have enough to make our Avosaurus. Sorry. Let's make the base like this. I just want it to be the body like this, because Avosaurus doesn't have a body that big. But Avosaurus does have a fancy tail like this. And now look at this cool tail. You may be surprised that Avosaurus had a tail like this. I think it's beautiful. Well, how much do you think it? Do you like this amazing tail, or are you not a big fan of it? So, yeah, right, Fanstar, I'm a giant fan of it. Whoever saw a bird with a tail like that? Well, that could be right, so you should be amazed by the tail. It even had a longer tail than Archaeopteryx, and that's amazing to know. So, let's start to carve out the wing. I want to carve out the wing over here. So, let's make the wing being carved out. Avosaurus didn't have a wing that big. So let's fix a ring like this. Yeah, I think it's better to do it on this side. Put some glue here. In the next video, I'll be singing a song about a troodon. Troodons are nocturnal, which means they're active in the night. Just in case you don't know about troodons. Yeah, so that's what I'll be singing. It first starts on, well, just like every troodon, I'm happiest when the lights aren't on after all the passengers, and it goes like that. So now, let's start to carve in the face. So, how do you like this face's look? It is nice, right? Now I need to make some little feathers to put on top. So, I'll just put one feather on top. I don't want to make it looking like an horn. So I'll just put the feather in its brain. It's because that is the only way where the feather can be connected right to the brain. It's because that's how it's kind of like hair. But instead of these dinosaurs having hair, they had feathers. And Avosaurus didn't fly. It was gliding. Do you know what gliding means? A lot of people know and some don't. So I think I should better teach you just in case. Gliding is, for example, there is some wind blowing by and this glue stick is a tree, wind blowing by, you're in the tree and then you catch the wind, spread out your arms, that way you don't flap them and the wind will hold the weight of your body, and then it's kind of like a boat where the water pushes, like the wind pushes you and you're moving. It's kind of like that. Yeah, Or if you already know what gliding means, then you can just skip this part. Let's keep this amazing Gavosaurus back.